New Tool Day Tuesday, where I share with you guys a unique or useful tool that I myself use that I think you might be interested in. Now, this particular product actually comes from a recommendation from you guys, which is why I purchased it. I did a review on the Harbor Freight metal jerry cans, and in that review, under the comments, lots of you guys said, hey, try the Harbor Freight transfer pump. So I went back to Harbor Freight and I bought this pump, and it sat on a box on the shelf for a long time until the day that I needed it. And then I found myself using it a lot. The pump operates on two D-cell batteries, and at first I was worried that these batteries wouldn't last very long, but I gotta say, I'm pretty impressed. This is the very same set of batteries that I've had in this thing, and I've used it quite a bit now. Its operation is very basic. You stick this black end into the fuel that you want to transfer, and you stick the other end into the place you want to put the fuel into, and you turn the switch to the on position. Now, it's advertised to do 5 to 6 quarts per minute, but you know me, I think a real world test is what we really need. So I have a 1-gallon jug here, and I have some kerosene. Let's turn it on and time it and see how long it takes to transfer 1 gallon. Now you can see it is a really good rate of flow coming out of this little pump. And we're about a half a gallon. And I'm going to call it a gallon right about there. Now, I don't think this review would be complete or at the least fun if we didn't try to abuse this little pump, and I want to try to transfer some oil. So what we have here is some conventional 10W30 oil, and we're going to use this little pump to try to transfer it. And I'll be dang, it really is going to transfer oil. Oil has a pretty thick viscosity, and that kind of surprises me that it's going to do it. Now, it's not pumping it very fast, but it is getting the job done. Now, one thing I was very happy to see is the length of the neck on the pump is long enough to reach the bottom of a jerry can. I found that very handy one day when I was trying to fill my Winnebago, and I really didn't want to hold this jerry can up in the air. So there you have my quick and dirty review of the Harbor Freight liquid transfer battery operated pump. I think it's a great buy. Right now it costs $9.99. And I'm sure you'll see this go on sale from time to time, but even at $10, I think it's a great buy and it's well worth its investment. If you like these types of videos, please like and subscribe. Take a look at some of my other videos, and at the very least, you might be entertained.